First take out the laser tube. Remove the red high-voltage protective cover. Note: place the light-emitting end of the laser tube where there has the lens.
The position of the light exit is about 10 centimeters (3.9 inch) away from the lens.
Fix laser tube. But don't tighten the screws for now.
Next, connect the water pipe and laser tube. Be careful to connect the pipes securely. Note that the water pipe must be firmly connected. Avoid the water pipe falling off the laser tube during use. Turn the laser tube. Keep the water inlet at the bottom and the water outlet at the top. Fix the laser tube. Fix the laser tube and must add the foam to prevent the laser tube from breaking. Both positions need to be fixed. Note again that the water pipe and laser tube must be installed firmly. The water pipe must cover the second bump on the laser tube. Both sides are the same. Note that must have punch. Tighten the screws to let the laser tube cannot turn. After fixing the laser tube, connect the high voltage wire to the right side of the laser tube. Tighten the screws to fix the wires. Put the red high voltage protective cover on the right side. Connect the low voltage line to the left side of the laser tube. Make sure the connection is firm. Next, then install the metal protective cover. Be careful not to touch the laser tube during installation to avoid damage. Lift the drag pane. Check every screw hole aligned. Use screws to fix the drag pane and metal protective cover. Use the tools in the tool box.